Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, May 26, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm getting this up a little late today, very busy today, but it's been a good kind of busy. I just posted on the internet, we finally had a great day in May today. Indeed we did. There are some stark contrasts from what happened today than from what's been happening to us ever since the latter part of February of this year. And let's just start with the Dow. We're looking at the Dow. The Dow did nothing today, just trended sideways, officially ending up 11 points. And yet our equity just went gangbusters today. Starting toward the end of February of this year, the Dow has been wildly moving higher and higher, and our equity has been going into the trash can. So it was nice to see that trend reverse today. I've gotten really skeptical about the Dow Jones Industrial Average in the last several weeks and what, if any, relation it has to us, and possibly an inverse relationship to us. But anyway, the Dow did nothing today, and we had a positively great day. We came into today with, I think, 9 positions, and interestingly enough, we closed out every one of those 9 positions positive. We haven't seen that in a long time. We closed out positive over $22,000 in trade, and that is a big improvement from what we were holding yesterday. So big jump in our equity there, and that again is something that we used to see all the time and we haven't seen for many weeks. Big jump in our equity overnight, and that really feels good. We got into 27 positions. That's close to a record today. And as again, you know, on a day that the Dow was doing nothing, that's also very interesting. Used to be, if we got into more than 20 positions, it was because the Dow was up, you know, 600 points or something like that. Anyway, we got into 27 positions. That is or close to a record for us. 19 were positive, 8 were negative, and we are carrying $18,000 positive in open trade going into tomorrow. So closed out over $22,000, carrying positive $18,000 going into tomorrow. Now, the big test, as I can see now, can we pull this off? Can we see that $17,000, $18,000 that we're having open trade improve tomorrow on our exit? You know, it'd be great if it improved big time, like opened up like 40,000 or something like that, but I'm not holding my breath on that. I just don't want to see it open lower. And the beauty about today is the whack-a-moles that I've been complaining about day after day after day for weeks. They went in hiding today. They weren't even around today. What an amazing difference it makes when the whack-a-moles go hide in a hole someplace, and stocks just keep moving higher and higher, and they don't get whacked just because they move higher. It's just a great feeling, and I'm hoping that this is a omen for better times coming our way. Let me show you 3 of the stocks. this again is something that we haven't seen in a long time. I think I showed you this yesterday. I'm showing you again. This is GameStop, and on Monday we had exited this small trade. We got into a re-entry on Monday. It actually closed against us. Gapped up yesterday for a small profit, very small profit, but then we got re-entered yesterday, and then it really exploded. Closed very high yesterday, but gapped up even more. Follow through. Notice the follow through. That's how we make money. Good follow through this morning, and we got out of that with $15,000 in profit in GameStop. We haven't seen a $15,000 trade in weeks. So GameStop gave it to us today, $15,000 profit. We got re-entered again. That's a little scary, but the re-entry didn't go against us. We're carrying about $100 profit in it, but it's still that's so much better than seeing the whack-a-moles jump on us and drive us into a loss, and sometimes drive us in a loss so great that it takes back all the profit from the good trade. Anyway, GameStop is smoking hot, and the last 3 days have gone from $180 to as high as $250. So GameStop is smoking hot, and I'm also monitoring and trading in real time, beta testing. I'll call it beta testing. The June portfolio. The June portfolio did even better than this, and AMC did nearly as good as GameStop, and there was a handful of other stocks, new stocks in that portfolio that also performed quite well. So the June, the May portfolio did good today, but the June portfolio did even better, and that also has me very optimistic about what's coming down the line. I'll show you two more stocks, new stocks. Well, they're not new stocks. They're stocks that we've had in the May portfolio, and you haven't heard about them because they're not doing anything. Today, it was a good one, CHPT, which is ChargePoint Holdings, and that popped up here. We grabbed it. It kept going, closes near its high, just like it's supposed to, and we have positive $3,000 in open trade in ChargePoint Holdings. And then another stock that's been in the portfolio. I haven't heard anything because the stocks have been terrible. This is SOLE, S-O-L-E, which is Renesola Ltd. Popped up. We buy those gaps. As I say, whack-a-moles didn't jump on this and kill us. It kept going, and we are up $2,600 in Renesola Ltd. So everything looks good today, folks. I just want to see a little follow through this morning or tomorrow, and I'm going to start thinking maybe we can emerge from this horrible, horrible month of May. Believe me, the statistics are terrible, but it's okay. We can have a bad month. We need to see a recovery in June, and that all looks really good right now. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.